In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Quest Pro controllers to Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your Quest Pro controllers with your Meta Quest 3 headset. It is easy to connect and you will be able to use them completely wirelessly. So in order to establish this connection, you will need to pair them up. Before you begin, I highly recommend charging them fully. Even though this isn't strictly necessary, by having a full battery, you are going to be able to use them for the longest time possible and ensure that the connection works flawlessly. So if you are willing to charge them fully, just use the charging dock and make sure that these pins are making contact with each other. As long as they are, you will hear a chime or some LED indicator telling you that they are charging, and once it is fully charged, you can proceed. Of course, if you just want to start now without charging them fully, that's okay as well. So these controllers, the Touch Pro controllers, are going to be compatible with the Meta Quest Pro, Meta Quest 3, and Meta Quest 2. And in order to connect them, you need to do a specific combination of buttons. So first, make sure that the headset is powered on, and then turn on the left controller by pressing the menu button. So this button with the 3 lines. Next, do the same thing, but instead of pressing the menu button, you are going to press the Oculus button. This button here. Once they are powered on, make sure again that your headset is also powered up. Then open the Meta Horizon mobile app on your phone. Then tap the menu, go into devices, and you will be able to find the device that you want to pair. When you choose the option to pair a new controller, it is going to be successfully connected. You just need to be into close proximity and choose the option to add a new device. As long as you select it from the app, you will be good to go. The view on the app will give you the battery level of the controller, and you will be able to select them from there. Once the controller has been connected, it will remain connected until it runs out of battery or you manually disconnect it. So use the Meta Horizon app and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Quest Pro controllers to Quest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.